Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So friends, we are going to start a new topic in this video. So friends, let's get started. So friends, we are going to discuss a new topic. Topic name is algebra of matrices. So the first question arises is the definition of a matrix. Definition of a matrix. So the definition of a matrix is a set of m comma n numbers arranged in an ordered pair of m rows and n columns. So a set of m comma n numbers arranged in an ordered pair of m rows and n columns. This is the definition of a matrix. So the next comes is elements of a matrix. So the elements of a matrix are each of m comma n numbers present in m cross n matrix is called element of a matrix. So each of m comma n numbers present in m cross n matrix is called the element of a matrix. So this is called as m cross n or m by n, not as m into n. Next is notation of a matrix. So the matrix can be represented by these braces or by these braces or two vertical lines before this. So these are the notations of a matrix. You can use any of the one. So the next comes is the order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. So let's take an example of a matrix. I have took 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 8. So I took an example of a matrix. So let's identify the order of this matrix. See, first you should count the number of rows. So there are two number of rows. So you should write 2, and then you should count the number of columns. So there are three number of columns. So then you should write 3. So the order of this matrix is 2 cross 3 or 2 by 3. So this is the order of matrix. So the next comes is type of matrices. So the first type is row matrix. So what is a row matrix? A matrix that has only one row is called a row matrix. Example 1 comma 2, or let's take 1 comma 5 comma 19. So this is the row matrix. You can take any fractional number or any decimal number, yeah, like 1 comma 1 by 2 or 1 comma 5.89, or you can take complex number. So the second type comes is column matrix. So in column matrix there is only one column, a matrix that has only one column, that has only one column. So let's take an example 1 comma 5 comma 9.99. So this is the example of a column matrix. So the next comes is rectangular matrix. So what is a rectangular matrix? A matrix of m rows and n columns where m is not equal to n. Let's take an example of this matrix. Let's take 9 5 3 8 9 2. So it is a rectangular matrix because m and n are not equal. M means number of rows, there are two number of rows, and n means number of columns, there are three columns. So 2 is not equals to 3. So this is a rectangular matrix, or you can take 1 comma 1 5 9. This is a 1 cross 3 matrix where 1 and 3 are not equal, means m and n are not equal. So this is called as rectangular matrix. So the next comes is a square matrix. Square matrix. Square matrix is the opposite of rectangular matrix. In this matrix m and n are equal. For example 2 5 9 3. Here the number of rows are 2 and the number of columns are also 2, so they are equal. So it is 2 into 2 matrix, or you can call it as a square matrix. Then the next comes is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. See, in a diagonal matrix, in a diagonal matrix, all the non-diagonal elements are 0. Means, I will explain you with an example. I took 2 0 0 5. See, 2 and 5 is a diagonal, so they are the numbers 2 and 5, and the rest non-diagonal numbers are 0. So you are thinking that this is also a diagonal, but in a matrix we should only assume this as a diagonal, only a single diagonal, which is this. So the rest non-diagonal numbers are 0. Like let's take 3 5 9 let's take 3 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 5. Here the diagonal numbers are 3 9 5 and the non-diagonal numbers are 0. So this is a diagonal matrix, and the diagonal matrix should always be a square matrix. So the next type comes is a scalar matrix. A scalar matrix. So what is a scalar matrix? It is related to diagonal matrix, in which non-diagonal elements should be 0, but the diagonal elements should be always equal. Like let's take 3 0 0 0 3 0 and 0 0 3, in which the non-diagonal elements are 0. See, these are the non-diagonal elements, these are always 0, and the diagonal elements are always equal. So this is a scalar matrix. Next comes is unit matrix. So what is a unit matrix? So a square matrix is said to be unit matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0 0 and each of its diagonal elements are unity. Let's take an example. Let's take a 2 cross 2 matrix. So the non-diagonal should be 0 and the diagonal should be unity, means 1. So this is the unit matrix of 2 cross 2, and for 3 cross 3 it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. In this, the diagonal elements are unity and the non-diagonal elements are 0. So you should learn this. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So you should learn this and this. You should remember these both matrices, which are unit matrix. Next type come is triangular matrix. So triangular matrix is divided into two parts. So first is upper triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix. So in this upper triangular matrix, the numbers below the diagonals are 0. So let's see an example. Let's take diagonals as 5 9 3. So the numbers below these diagonals are 0. Like there is a number here, and these are 0, and the other elements can be anything. Like here we can have -2 3 or 5. Here we can have any number, but the numbers below this diagonal should be 0. So this is a upper triangular matrix. So the second type comes is lower triangular matrix. So it is the opposite of upper triangular matrix. In this, the elements above the diagonal should be 0, like this, and below you can write any element like -2, 3, 9. So here 3 should be here. So the elements upper the diagonal should be 0 and the elements below the diagonal can be any number. So this is the lower triangular matrix. So the next type comes is a 0 or null matrix. So what is a 0 or null matrix? A 0 or null matrix is a matrix in which all the elements are 0, like 0, 0, 0, 0, for 2 cross 2, and for 3 cross 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0. So all the elements should be 0. This is called as a 0 or a null matrix. So this was our today's video. In the next video we are going to discuss the equality of matrix, and we are going to solve some problems based on it. So if you enjoyed our video, please like our video, share, subscribe, comment, and give a lots of love to our video. Thank you friends. Bye bye.